我聽唔到啊！
今次頒獎禮個感受。
今回初めて参加するのは
I feel truly honored and privileged that I am able to participate in this wonderful event, the Asian Film Awards. And I mean, I'm truly honored to be able to be here and being able to receive the award means so much to me, so I'm full of happiness and joy.
所以英文中唔翻譯嘅。
Yes, please.
OK，咁就佢好開心啦，今次可以參加呢一個亞洲電影大獎啦，咁係第一次嚟參加啦，亦都係非常之榮幸嘅。
因為佢有好多飛躍即係
今回Rising Star Award 優勝されて。
I'm truly honored and being able to receive this award in Hong Kong and in the Asian Film Awards really means so much to me. And I feel like this award has given me a lot of courage and a lot of energy to really do my really best and continue to do what I really love about acting. And yes, I feel like this award has given me so much meaning and I feel like I really want to become someone who can shine like that.
佢好開心今次喺亞洲啦，能夠攞到呢一個飛躍嘅獎項啦。咁因為佢已經越嚟越喜歡電影啦，咁所以俾咗好大嘅力量俾佢去繼續去拍攝落，即係嚟繼續喺個電影圈嗰度發展。咁同埋佢亦都好開心，即係可以有呢一個機會同到咁多亞洲嘅。
其實知道攞咗有咩反應啊？
我恭喜佢啊
！OK 嘅，我哋就唔答啦。
咁有冇話想係頒獎禮上即係最電影
阿瓦多に一番会いたい人はいらっしゃいますか？
There's so many people I want to see and I'm really happy that I get to see such wonderful, talented and inspiring people like actors and directors as well and individuals. So I'm really looking forward to it.
佢好多人都其實想見面啊，演員啦、導演啦，都好多人，因為所以好難話係特別邊一個，但係都希望同大家見得到。
有冇興趣拍香港電影同埋對香港電影嘅影響？
香港の映画を再発したいのかな。香港の映画はどんな印象ですか？
Of course, I would love to, and it would be such a privilege to be able to come, and that is one of my goals while in my acting career. And there's one project coming up, it's a streaming one, and I can't see it in detail right now, but I think there's going to be information coming out in several days, so please look forward to that.
Favorite Hong Kong too?
Oh yes, and for Hong Kong film, it's one I watched recently, and it's called The Legend Warriors Q.
九龍城。
Yes, Garo.
九龍城寨。
I watched that recently and I really loved the film and I really loved the action as well. So that is one of the things I want to shine myself action as well. So yes, I love that film.
咁作為一個演員啊，佢目標咧係一定希望有機會嚟緊可以參加香港嘅電影啦。咁同埋佢亦都係嚟緊將會有一個項目咧係同香港嘅製作公司有關嘅。咁呢個應該過幾日咧就會有一個公佈嘅，大家可以注意一下。咁再加埋佢自己最近就一套喜歡嘅香港電影就係《九龍城寨》。
佢中意邊個角色嘅入面？有冇中意邊個角色？
好きなタイプは九龍城寨の中に好きなキャラクターは誰ですか？
It's hard to decide. It's hard to decide because they're really all really cool and I think I'll watch it again to decide.
佢好難覺得係邊一個，睇多一次之後可能先再決定係揀邊個角色係邊個。
但自己會唔會想挑戰一啲可能係動作戲啊、武打片？
そんな感じの映画挑戦したいんですか？
Like as like action. I think it's going to be really physically demanding and difficult, and I'll need a lot of training to do the action. But I'd love to challenge myself.
應該係需要好多嘅訓練啦，但佢係願意去接受呢個挑戰嘅。One of the representable actors from Hong Kong, she's Malaysian, Michelle Yeoh. She won the Oscar before. Have you watched her?
Yes, I've watched many of her films before, and I think she's she's personally like who I admire and look up to. There's so many actresses from Hong Kong that I aspire to be.
佢睇咗佢好多部電影，亦都感 邊嗰個自己嘅演藝，其實即係佢嘅演得幾係多啲。
咁之前話有個觀眾佢係反戰，即係想問佢嘅喺角色上面一個情
映画見本人がちょっとうるさい感じの調整したりとか、だから自分が映画を脚本を選ぶときに何の条件とか何を考えてるか。
So, I mean, for the True Beauty and before and after, I was a fan of the webtoon before, so that's the reason why. And I loved how it's not only like a romance movie, but it's also how the individuals really grow up and aspire to be the person they want to be and not give up to the person they want to become. So I love that really messages that supports the young and yeah, just really helps them to achieve their dreams. And for the aspects of what I choose to film of the films and movies, I think it's the messages in them that really spoke to me. So I chose this.
第一佢呢套女神降臨啦，本身係佢睇咗嗰個網上漫畫啦，好中意呢個古仔，亦都覺得呢個女主角俾咗好多感受俾佢自己嘅生活入邊，咁所以佢都當時接拍咗呢套戲。咁喺佢自己揀電影嘅時候，其實佢覺得係睇個劇本或者故事係咪能夠帶到一個好特別嘅訊息俾佢自己本人咯。
咁佢呢套劇咧就嚟緊都會上㗎啦，佢拍唔拍得可能即係自己嘅角色會同文家英美比較嘅，有冇呢個考慮？
この韓国版もあったんじゃないですかね、映画は。比べるとか比較とか心配ある前作。
I mean, it's originally a webtoon as well, so I think there are a lot of fans from the webtoon and fans from the Korean version. So, of course, there was a lot of pressure because it's originally a webtoon and it was already made in Korea. But I feel like it's the first time it's made in a movie, and it's 2 parts in the movie. It's released, and I feel like the movie has its original aspects and lots of original parts in the film, so I think that is one part to perform.
咁因為其實呢個本身係一個漫畫改編嘅作品啦，即係網上邊嘅漫畫，咁已經有好多 fans 㗎啦。咁當然佢係會有壓力啦。咁再加埋亦都有呢個韓劇嘅版本啦。咁但係今次比較唔同嘅，因為你今次係一個電影版，咁佢相信亦都用咗另外一個方法呈現俾大家，咁所以希望大家會中意到。
新意或者覺得呢啲情節，因為我覺得係嗰啲好多情節。
So there are many popular comics in Japan. Any like special comics that you like to be in the movie version?
Oh, I mean there are many, but I think I have a lot. I can't name them specifically right now, but yes, I love reading comics as well, so there's lots that I would love to participate.
Can you pick one?
One?
太多啦，佢中意嘅。
Oh.
There are too many that you like, right? 太多啦，係咪？所以好難㗎。
即係如果工作上嘅話嘅話，即係頭先講話，即係劇本啊，
仕事が、撮影プレッシャーあるときに何をする？
I feel like I tend to easily get negative in a way. So, I mean, the people around me, like my family, really helps me. And then I try to take a deep breath a couple of times and I really try to stay grounded so that I don't get floating away. And then with my emotions, I try to stay grounded.
咁佢係一個好容易有想負面嘅人啦，咁所以家人對於佢嚟講好緊要，咁所以保持同家人一齊對於佢嘅好習慣方法，同埋另外佢會係做一個深呼吸，咁深呼吸之後咧，佢就會覺得個人比較可以穩定翻少少，就唔好俾自己浮得太遠咯，飄得太遠。
放狗會都係一場表現去輕鬆嘅方法。
犬と散歩するのがいい。
Yes.
係啊，冇錯，係啦，同狗嘅散步係一個好好嘅減壓方法。この映像を撮影した時にアクションより大きい よくあったんですよ。どういう時でしたか？あと、Did you hurt yourself?
Oh, okay. So it was my first time challenging myself in sword fighting in action. So before the film started, or before we started shooting it, I had for about 2 months tried in the movie, and then I learned the sword fighting from a Japanese action group, and then I learned it like that, and then also I did it at home using like different kind of material swords like wood or like really heavy ones, and then I practiced that. And during shooting, there were no injuries, but it was extremely cold weather there because it was like January, February, and we were in Scotland. So I just remember it being really cold, but there was no injuries.
咁就佢係用咗2個月時間去練習呢啲劍道啦。咁係有因為有重量噶嘛，咁佢仲要喺屋企咧攞住啲比較重啲嘅木或者鐵通咧去練習呢一個劍道，咁然先至開始去拍呢部戲。咁佢係好幸運地啦，今次拍呢條電影成日冇受傷過。不過因為係喺蘇格蘭拍呢條電影啦，所以當時一演繹嘅時候就非常之多落。佢最記得就呢一部分啦。
咁佢成日咁樣跟住嗰啲重嘅，有冇練嗰啲肌肉出嚟？
よく練習したら筋肉になっちゃう。
Yes, actually. I was surprised because I had like this very slim leather glove, like long glove, and I was wearing it before training, but when I wore it, it stopped here because I was like muscular. Yeah, I feel like it really helped me to stay strong.
佢有一對好緊身嘅長手套啦，咁喺練習之前就係冇問題嘅，但係練習完之後咧就上，本嚟係上到去應該係手腕嗰度，咁去到就中間已經停咗啦，因為個手變粗咗，就戴唔到嗰對手套咯。
女仔對於呢啲會冇戒，即係可以冇練咗啲水隻手指。
やっぱ女の子としてマッチョになっちゃって気にする。
But at first I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wear it anymore. But I feel like my ideal kind of woman is kind of strong and then kind of like fit. So yeah, I think it's okay.
我覺得冇乜問題，因為女仔可以變強啲嘛，係啊，即係佢當然戴唔上手套嗰下會有啲驚咁但係即係佢覺得呢個變成一個更加強嘅女性唔係一件壞事咯。
咁其實呢個都係會即係好少嘅話術啦。咁其實會可能真係有啲女角色
例えばもうちょっとブスがもっと太ってるのに挑戦する場合は重さ増えてる体重とか。
Yes. I think I would do everything to be able to act that role, so I would do my best to fit. Okay. Yes, of course.
Like this or short?
Or shorter or like 90 colors.
咩牌都得。坊主だ。
Oh, I think if it's that role, then I think
如果就算一個角色需要嘅話，係光頭佢都可以當。
另外，我想問即係對於影視嘅香港，即係會唔會已經係發展到已經係香港嘅呢個熟悉嘅演出係以前嘅
もう本編を聞きたいじゃない。だからもうなんかすごく分かってる。だから毎回来る時に絶対行かないといけない場所とか、絶対行きたい場所とか。そういう感じ何がある
I feel like, yes, I've come to Hong Kong many times, but I feel like every time I visit here, I can find a new wonderful place in Hong Kong. But every time I visit, like the Kampo, yeah, I don't know how to say it in English, like the natural herbal kind of medicine place, yeah, and then I go there and take a drink.
佢覺得每次嚟香港仲有好多新奇地方發現得到啦，不過佢最近成日嚟嘅話，佢一定會去食龜苓膏啦，同埋飲24味。
點解？好熱氣點解？
Okay, it's okay, I'm okay.
佢好中意啲漢方嘅藥草嘅味道，所以佢中意飲24味同埋龜苓膏。咁我今日幫佢揾嘅，不過佢過咗生咗門，所以冇得飲24味。今日都未有得到啲休みから準備できなかったな。
會唔會帶啲翻去俾朋友啊，俾屋企人？即係佢咁中意呢樣嘢。
この漢方の薬剤を持ち帰るからお土産で。
Yes, I think so. Yes,
但係如果我哋買平時係買整好噶嘛，係如果買淨可以買嗰啲藥材邊度係啦。
有冇問題？呢啲係
好啊，
More questions?
話佢譬如可能咧佢行街咁可能幾好，佢真係中意行嗰啲地方。
你講香港定係？
係
啊，香港にこういうちっちゃいの店とか好きなのいろんな伝統的な。
Yes, I love to, and I love to explore different traditional shops as well. So yes, this time I think I'll have a little bit of time, so I'll go.
じゃあ香港のパンがどこか待ってるか会えるかもしれない。ワインどうする？亀爺なんて大会えそう。
Ah, so.
あ